So I think a lot of testers over time get kind of downtrodden. So I find new testers kind of spunky, right? And they're all excited and they find all kinds of problems and they're really happy. And then as they figure something out, that not all of their bugs are going to get fixed. And I learned that on my first project. My first project, I had the title of QA engineer, quality assurance. Reflecting back on it, I didn't assure anything. I wish someone would have told me that then. It would have been different. Like how I interacted with team members would have been different. But instead, quality assurance, I thought that meant I decide what the quality bar is. And I dictate to other people what will be fixed and what won't be. So I walked around the building with my giant quality bat and I just beat people with it. And that was not a joyous occasion because people started to dislike interacting with me. Just imagine that. Because I'm a bit of a pit bull when I believe something, truly, when it means something to me. And I believe a lot of testers are connected to that, connected to the notion of quality. The notion of, I'll call it pride in our work is tied to the information we share being valued. And a lot of times on projects, people, stakeholders, developers prove to us with their actions and their words that what we do is not valued. So I think we seek validation. And if you think about it, well, how do you know that you're a good tester? Well, for me, on my first project, it's how many bugs I write. I don't get paid by the bug, but I'll tell you something about my mindset. If the end of the day came, the end of the workday, and I had not found a bug yet, oh, it's on like Donkey Kong. I am going to sit there, I'm going to be there all night until I find something to file. That's ridiculous. I can't believe I did that. I can't believe it mattered that much to me that I find bugs because I correlated that to my success in my job. Now I'm more a seeker of information. And I've had a great many mentors, colleagues, and friends in the testing industry that have guided my thinking. James Bach, Elizabeth Hendrickson, Scott Barber, Rob Sabb, so many of these people, Mike Kelly, excellent, and really changed my way of thinking and my approach in testing. And what I wouldn't give in retrospect to have had any of that on my first project. And the one piece of information that is shinier than all the rest is something that Elizabeth Hendrickson shared with me. And I'm pretty sure she got it from a lot of other people, so I don't know where it came from originally. But she said, testing is an information service. Service. Ding, 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 ding. I came from tech support and customer service. I walked across the hall to go do a QA job. I didn't have any training. I had no books to read. I was abandoned. I was left alone, sole tester on a project with 10 Unix boxes as my friends. How did I know I was doing a good job? I had no idea. And the first time a product manager came in, project manager, whatever, he was kind of both, and he said, so how's it going? When do you think you're going to be done? And I was like, done? There's no done here. I will never be done. I will test from now until the sun explodes. Or you pry this out of my cold dead hands. Because I could not envision a place where I would be done with the actual testing that I had in front of me. I had 144,000 configurations to test. No done here. I was getting a build a day. It's awesome. I could not help this person. When are we going to be done? How's it looking? I'm like, no, never. So that was our conversation on the first day. Second day, he came back and asked the question again. I went, same answer, dude. You forget? It was just yesterday. Third day, he came back. And before he said anything, I went, stop. Do not ask that question again, because the answer is always going to be the same, forever. So as far as I'm concerned, ship it whenever you want. I have no information that can help you. And I didn't. I didn't have any information that could help them because I didn't understand what information would be useful. Now, if anyone had said, testing is an information service, I would have, all right, what information do you need? Right? It's not just about the testing. It's about kind of the results and summing it up. So it's not, metrics and measures and quantitative analysis. It's what do you need to know? What decision are you making? What judgments are you weighing? What does a good product look like to you?